team. Oh, I thought I'd just bring you along for a little ride on the old fucking NUTBUS tonight. So I'm just heading up to fucking way out through Upper Hutt, up over Wallisville Hill, Angara Valley, and we're going to go pick up a bunch of girls. I think it's a Sacred Heart formal school ball. So this is a non-licensed trip, so non-alcoholic trip. So seeing those girls on the booze, mate, they'll be getting their kick off underages. So yeah. So just me on the bus tonight, no roof. See what happens. Well, let's go. Someone's already found the bell. Clever. What does it say?
Ring for Jesus.
Hallelujah. All right. Now that the parents are gone, all right, you can let loose, do whatever the fuck you want. All right. Spotify here. Okay, so choose your own sounds. Get up, party, have fucking heaps of fun. Just remember, we are in a moving vehicle, so if they stop or swerve, you will get fucked up. So fucking hold on, okay? And just come and see me if you have a little drink on the bus.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want, but don't drink.
Or smoke. Because it's hard to drink. Yeah, Ricky, are you 17? I'm 18.
Okay, so where were we? Alright, do whatever the fuck you want. Alright, just don't get fucked up. Hold on. Play some music. Let's go.
Walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. Hold up, look, walking this bitch like, hey, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey, bitch, I'm really him. Don't believe me? Come and see me. Got 3 wishes from my genie. Now I'm on your local TV. Y'all on tour, got bitches screaming. Say she wanna come and see me when I'm in a local city. I'm like, pause though. Please step aside so they can see me. And I walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. On God. Walking this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. I'm the realest from my city, that's on money, that's on TV.